Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to start now. Make sure your business name, address, and phone exactly match your website and citations, because consistency matters for verification. Once done, pick the most accurate primary category and upload a clear storefront photo. Then open your Google Business profile, go straight to Verify Now, and scan the available non-video methods: postcard, phone, email, Search Console, or bulk verification. Do this immediately so you can choose the fastest valid route for your account. Now execute the method you picked. If you choose postcard, confirm the mailing address, request it, and watch for a 5 to 14-day delivery window. Don't change the address while waiting. If phone or email is offered, be ready to receive the code and enter it immediately. Delayed entry may invalidate the attempt. For Search Console, prove domain ownership first, then link accounts. If you have many locations, prepare bulk verification documents and upload them as instructed. Finish by entering the verification code exactly as shown. Once accepted, double-check your address, hours, and categories so Google displays correct info. If the postcard never arrives, wait 14 days and request a replacement, and make sure the address follows USPS or local postal formatting. Apartment numbers and suite data matter. If methods aren't offered or fail, contact Google Business Support and have proof ready: business registration, utility bill, or domain verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.